Today we are writing a program for filters. So there are two filters, IIR filters and FIR filters. IIR filters means infinite impulse response. FIR means finite impulse response. So first we will see the design of IIR filters. In IIR filter there are two more categories, Butterworth filter and Chebyshev filter. So first we will see the Butterworth filter design. Again in Butterworth filter, low pass, high pass, and there are different types. So in this program we are designing the Butterworth low pass filter using MATLAB program. So the program is program for Butterworth filter. So clear all. So it will clear all the variables, clear the screen, and it will close the all previous program. So in Butterworth filter, for designing we have to give the parameters. So for any filter, low pass filter means low pass filter response is, so it only allows low frequencies and attenuates high frequencies. So it has a stop band frequency and cutoff frequency. So we have to design, we have to give these parameters. So alpha p means passband attenuation in decibels. So whatever the attenuation means inverse of amplitude. So inverse of gain. Alpha p means inverse of the gain. 1 by gain is called attenuation. So decibels, in decibels we are entering the alpha p. Alpha p is a variable for giving the passband attenuation. P means passband. Alpha s, here s means stop band. So alpha s is we are defining enters stop band attenuation in decibels. F pass means F means frequency. So this is pass band frequency. So enter the frequency in hertz. F stop means stop band frequency. Enter the frequency of stop band in hertz. So now we have to give the sampling frequency. F samp is equals to enter the sampling frequency. So omega p is 2 into f pass by f samp. So in radians we are getting passband frequency omega p is passband frequency, omega s stop band frequency in radians. Now how to design the Butterworth filter? So for designing the Butterworth filter, we require the order and cutoff frequency. So n is the order of the Butterworth filter, omega n is the cutoff frequency. So the inbuilt function in MATLAB is we use butord. Butord is the inbuilt function. It is used to find the order of the filter and cutoff frequency. For butord we have to pass the parameters passband frequency, stop band frequency, passband attenuation, stop band attenuation. So these four parameters we have to pass to the butord function. Then we are able to calculate order of the filter and cutoff frequency. So this function will calculate the order of the filter and cutoff frequency. Then the transfer function is in the form of numerator and denominator. In order to find the transfer function, we require order of the filter and cutoff frequency. B means numerator coefficients of the transfer function. A means denominator coefficients of the transfer function. So using the order and cutoff frequency, we will find the coefficients of the transfer function. Now h comma omega is used to find the frequency response. FREQZ frequency, it is used to find the frequency response using B and A. B is numerator coefficients, A is denominator coefficients. So first what we are doing, we are finding the order and cutoff frequency. Then we are finding the numerator coefficients and denominator coefficients of the transfer function. From the transfer function we are finding the frequency response. After the frequency response, we are calculating the magnitude in decibels. M is the variable used to store the magnitude. 20 log ABS means absolute value of the transfer function. H is the transfer function value. So H is the magnitude of the transfer function. So in order to get in decibels, 20 log ABS of H is equals to M. So M is the magnitude of the transfer function in decibels. Now we are plotting the graph. So we are taking two plots. Subplot 2, 1, 1. So in first subplot we are plotting the magnitude versus frequency in radians. Plot W by pi means frequency is normalized between 0 to 1 and M means magnitude of the transfer function. So X label is normalized frequency, Y label is gain of the transfer function in decibels. So title is phase response. Second subplot 2, 1, 2. So again we are plotting the angle of the transfer function. Okay. Now what we are giving, this means it will display the value. Filter order it will display. What is the filter order? N. Next it will display cutoff frequency. It will display the cutoff frequency Wn. Now it will display the title of the graph, magnitude and phase plot of the low pass filter. Okay. We'll execute and see the result. So we are giving the passband attenuation 5 decibels, stop band attenuation 30 decibels. Means the low pass filter has frequencies between 5 and 30 decibels. Low pass filter frequency is passband frequency 1000 Hz, stop band frequency 1500 Hz. Means at 1500 Hz it will stop the frequencies. Sampling frequency is 5000 Hz and we'll get the graph. So this is the phase response of the low pass filter Butterworth. This is the magnitude response of the low pass Butterworth filter. Okay.